the solution of the January 2024 paper. We are at 2C, and it says in the diagram below, show a triangle and a quadrilateral. All angles are in degrees and are written in terms of A and or B. Okay, so for part 1, we are supposed to show that the triangle, show that 2A plus 5B is equal to 171. So that's what we are going to be doing. Okay, now what we need to understand in doing a question like this, we need to understand that the internal angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So the sum of the angles here are supposed to add up to give you 180. Okay, so therefore we have A plus 2B plus A plus 9 plus 3B is equal to 180. Okay, so let's add these two terms. So whenever we're adding algebraic terms, we add like terms. So we're going to group. So we have A. So grouping like terms, A plus A. And then we have 2B plus 3B plus 9. And all of that is equal to 180. So here we have A plus A will give us 2A will give us 2A, and 2B plus 3B will give us 5B, and plus 9 equal to 180. But here we find that if we take 9 to the right hand side, or if we subtract 9 from both sides, then we are going to get 2A plus 5B equals to 180 minus 9. 180 minus 9 is equal to 171. So here we have 2A plus 5B is equal to 171. And that's how we would have got this. So we have successfully shown that 2A plus 5B is equal to 171. Question. We are now to show for the quadrilateral. Show that 7A plus 8B is equal to 342. Again, we want to apply the concept of internal angles. Now, the internal angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. Now, one of the ways that you can find the sum of the interior angles of any figure is just to try to convert them to see how many triangles you can get, because we already know that the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. And so here we have two triangles in this quadrilateral, so the sum of the interior angles automatically will equal to 360 degrees, because 2 times 180 is equal to 360. And so that's how we would have approached a question like this. Okay, so again, applying the same concept as we did before, we are going to add all the angles. So we have 6A plus 3A plus 2B plus 3B minus 2A plus 18 plus 3B, and all of that is equal to 360 degrees. Now, so let's go 6A. So again, adding like terms. So we have 6A plus 3A, that will give us 9A minus 2A, that will give us 7A. So remember, whenever we're adding or subtracting algebraic terms, we can only add or subtract like terms. So we group the A's and then we subtract them. So I guess we have passed this stage now, so we can just readily recognize it. So 6a plus 3a will give us 9a, minus 2a will give us 7a. Then we have 2b plus 3b, that will give us 5b, plus another 3b, that will give us what? 8b. So we have 7a plus 8b plus 18 is equal to 360 degrees. Now, like the previous one that we did earlier, this 18, we are adding this 18 on the left hand side. So when it goes across the equal sign, now we can say if we subtract 18 from both sides, then we would have got 7a plus 8b is equal to 360 minus 18, and then we would simply end up with 7a plus 8b equal to 342. And so we would have proven that again. So basically, that is how we apply these questions, and we will continue to work on these papers to ensure that you understand the concepts, and whatever concept you don't understand, please feel free to go back to watch these videos, watch the other videos on the channel, and just continue to improve in your maths. Okay, have a great and wonderful day. Be blessed. Of the 2014 paper, part C, part 3. It says solve the pair of simultaneous equations in 1 and 2 to find the values of A and B, showing all working. Now, what we had done earlier, we had established that 2a plus 5b is equal to 171, and we also established that 7a plus 8b is equal to 342 from sections 1 and 2 previously. So what we are now going to do, we are going to solve this pair of simultaneous equation, and we are going to be using the elimination method. And in this case, we are going to eliminate A. Okay, so now since we are going to be eliminating A, we are going to multiply equation 1 by 7, and we are going to multiply equation 2 by 2. So let's go. So we're starting with equation 1. We're going to say 7 times 2a will give us 14a, plus 7 times 5 will give us 35b, equal to 7 times 1, 71, 717, 7 7 is 49, so we have 9, and carry the 4, 7 1, 7 and 4 will give you 11. So we end up with 1197. So now we are going to move to so we have a new equation, so let us call this equation 3. Okay, and now we are going to multiply equation 2 by 2. So 2 7s will give you 14a plus 16b equal to 2 times 342 will give us 2 2s 4, 2 4s 8, and 2 3 6 will give us 684. Now, since we are eliminating A and the signs of A are the same, we are going to subtract equation 4 from equation 3. Now, so remember, whenever we are subtracting, we put these two brackets to ensure that the subtraction is for all the elements in equation 2. So 14a minus 14a will give us 0. So this automatically will 14a will cancel 14a. So we are left with now 35b minus 16b. So 35b minus 16b, that will give us 19b, and that is equal to 197 minus 684, and that will give us 513. So 19b is equal to 513. So therefore b is equal to 513 divided by 19. 513 divided by 19 is equal to 27. So that means the value of b is equal to 27. So now what are we going to do? We are going to substitute b equals to 27, and you can choose either one of the equations, and I'm going to choose equation 1. So therefore we have 2a plus, wherever I see b, I'm going to replace it with 27. So 5 times 27 is equal to 171. So we have 2a plus 5 times 27 will give us 135 is equal to 171. So therefore 2a is equal to 171 minus 135. Okay, so 171 minus 35, and again we are doing this because we could say we subtract 135 from both sides, but remember this 135 is adding here, so whenever it goes across the equal sign, it comes across as the opposite sign, which is minus. So therefore 2a is equal to 36. So if 2a, so 171 minus 135 is equal to 36. So a is equal to the 2 on this side is being divided. So what we could do is say, so if I take this 2 across that side, it becomes divided because it's multiplying on this side. So when it goes across as divided. So it becomes 36 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2 is equal to 18. Therefore, what can we conclude? A is equal to 18 and B is equal to 27. So this is how you would have approached the elimination method in solving simultaneous equation. Again, remember, question 2 of the CXC paper is algebra, students. Have a blessed and wonderful day.